Here are our three little kitties. Our three little feral cats that we love. Let me see. That's number 3 right there. Wish I could bring it closer. This is number 2. And this is number 2, who is busy. And let me see, the one on the top left, I've got to look at their eyebrows because they're so much alike. I think actually, which one of you is number 1? Oh, okay, you are. Okay. So the one on the right is number 1. The one on the left is number 3. Yes. And then this one over here, number 2, is very busy and very tidy. So anyway, that's about it. These are our 3 lovely little feral cats that were dropped off in our care from Mama Cat, who is now nowhere to be seen because she's going to start another family. Say goodbye. Okay, bye. Love you.